going on, guys? Hi, guys. Welcome to my first long video. So, guys, tomorrow is my birthday. So, it's my birthday vlog. So, you are thinking that why I'm shooting right now. It is because tomorrow is my exam. I will not able to do the introduction of this video. That's why I'm shooting right now the introduction. So, guys, hope you like this video. So, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. So, meet you in the morning time. Bye, guys.
Many unbearable hours later.
Happy birthday to you.
So guys, finally the moment came and it was 12:25 a.m. and it was my birthday, guys. Oh my god! Wow!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhansa.
Guys, this was a small surprise from my family, but I was not expecting it. Guys, I don't know why I was feeling shy at that time. After this wonderful surprise, I was craving for something like pizza, so I ordered pizza and garlic bread. Stuffed garlic bread from Captain Sam. I personally love their stuff. So when I opened the box, guys, the look was very great, but the taste was very bad as the garlic bread was uncooked, and you can see that the pizza is not looking so good. Firstly, after seeing the garlic bread, I was so happy that the look is very good. Then the taste will also good. But after some time, when I eat the garlic bread, it tasted like uncooked. Then I opened and saw that it was uncooked, guys. So don't order late night. It was morning time, guys. So guys, I have worn my uniform now. I have to get ready. I have dressed and just a little bit of touch-ups. Let's. On my birthday, it was my last final exam, so I was getting ready. Side by side, I was thinking that what I will do on my birthday. I was planning it. Then I took a bath and do my hairdo because in my institute it is not allowed to open hairs or to make a plate. So that's why I have to make a juda. And guys, this was my final look. I was looking like this. Afterwards, my father dropped me to the location from where I will take bus. And guys, seriously, on my birthday, I was not feeling happy or excited. It was like I was feeling normally, like I always feel at normal day. But it was very hectic as it was my exam and I have to go to my college. As well as I was too tensed also. So I went too early to my college, so I decided to go to Gurudwara. Afterwards, I went to temple so that I can take blessings of God. As well as it was sweating so hard because it was a very hot day, but it helps me to relax myself and remove all the tension that was in my mind, guys. Afterwards, after checking and all the procedure, I went to my class and I was so exhausted because of the hotness of the day, and I was sitting so comfortably, removing my clothes and doing my exam. So finally, guys, I am at my home. So now firstly I will take shower. Afterwards I will get ready to go to a mall. So let's take a shower first. I had my kind of brunch. Now I will get ready because I am not able to shoot because of my battery. So let me get ready and I will show you my outfits. After getting ready, I went to the mall and I took auto. As you can see it in the video, my hair was like floating in the air, and I went to the mall and it's a Elante mall. It is a very famous mall. Then I went in and I was super hungry, so I decided to go to McD and there was a huge crowd. And guys, seriously, I was so frustrated because of crowd, but I saw a cute girl there, and like guys, she was very cute. Afterwards, I was doing window shopping because I just want to see the stuff that what the new items came in the mall. Then I want to take a tumbler or a bottle, so I went to the Daiso And guys, the seriously it was not reasonable. The bottle was not that much good according to the price. Then I saw some jewelries. I didn't like it. And in the last I bought a bottle that you can see it in a mini vlog. And guys, I was doing this stuff in the DMart. See guys, do tell me in the comment section whosoever tried this in the mall. Then I took some stuff afterwards. You can see the beautiful fountain in the video. And I came to my house. So guys, hope you like this vlog. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And love you all. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye guys.